YouTubers, my name's Stacy. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today I want to talk about sinking funds. What exactly is a sinking fund? What is the difference between a sinking fund and an emergency fund? So let's go ahead and get started. So you might be asking yourself, what exactly is the difference between an emergency fund and a sinking fund? Well, an emergency fund is there specifically for you to have in case something happens, maybe a car repair happens, maybe a health scare, something to that effect. You have the money aside. It's something you can't plan for, some kind of event you're not able to plan for, but you have it there specifically for that reason. So you're not trying to figure out what am I going to do at that point. You have the money and you know it's going to be taken care of. Now, sinking fund's different because this is something you can pre-plan for. So let's say you want to go on a nice vacation. Something me and my husband actually are talking about doing is go to Hawaii. Neither one of us have ever been. In fact, my husband's never been on a plane, so that's going to be quite interesting. But we're going to go to Hawaii, and so we decided to start a sinking fund specifically for that. So when we go, we can pay cash. We don't have to have it on a credit card or take out money to be able to do that. We'll have our money set aside so we can enjoy the vacation, which will be so nice. Another sinking fund could be like kids activities, sporting events. Another sinking fund would be Christmas. Christmas can cost an arm and a leg if you're not careful, and so it's about 4 months away. So I would say start planning now. Figure out your budget. Me and my husband have already made our budget for Christmas. We know how much we're going to be able to spend on everybody. That way we're not scrounging to figure it out when Christmas comes around. And then you feel good because you know you have the money set aside, so you're not having to tap into other money to fund for it. Car replacement. Eventually you have to get another car. It's just a fact of life. So why not set your money aside? That way when you have to get another car, you can pay out cash, no interest. Guys, seriously, my husband figured out when we were going through a debt-free process how much he paid in interest, and it blew his mind how much he had wound up paying. It was like $2,500 if he would have just paid for the truck outright. And so now he's determined that we are not borrowing any more money on vehicles, because it is just crazy. In fact, we're not borrowing money on anything, honestly. So those are just a few ideas of different things that you can do for sinking funds. Just think about things you want to do. Like another example, my husband's talking about putting chickens in our backyard, and so that's something he's been talking about a lot of. So he was looking up how to build a chicken coop. Well, we gotta get wood for it, and the other thing is we also are planning on building a playhouse for the kids in our backyard. And so we're going to build it ourselves instead of buying one, because honestly I think it's cheaper if you can make it yourself. So, and then you can design it the way you want. So that is 2 more sinking funds we're fixing to be funding in. And so just think of things that you want to do with your life in the future. Well, there you have it, all about sinking funds. Thanks for watching. If you have comments or questions, go ahead and leave them below and let me know if there are things you want me to talk about. Also, go ahead and like this video and subscribe if you would like more videos from me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.